Another shorty video. I just installed the Caframo Sirocco 2 12-volt fan, plain Jane stuff. I didn't bother getting details on it. I hung it with the 80/20 insertable locks. I just wanted to show you how these work. I'm sure it's not rocket science, but up inside, you turn, screw it down, locks it in. Locked in the base plate of the Caframo, and ran the wiring behind the cabinet through the rib down into the cavity, yay, and came up and tied it into the, did not set up an additional fuse, tied it into the roof fan fuse. They will both run on high together, so no problem with the fuse, and even fits the nomenclature, fan. So that's it. Thanks.